Another Kobe. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And in 4K, we're going to unbox and review the new Kobe Protro 6 All-Star. Yes, sir. Not one of my favorites. I don't like an all-white shoe. But when you take the Mamba print off and then you put some stars to represent All-Star, you got to talk about the shoe, man. Anytime you go with a Kobe, you got to talk about the shoe. But Vanessa and Nike, they've been doing what they said they were going to do and give us more Kobe's. This one was a little bit more limited than the past ones, but it's All-Star weekend. And I'm a little biased. I know how much I love Kobe. But when it always came to like them Christmas packs and them All-Star packs, meaning Kevin Durant, Kobe, LeBron, Kobe's always got the better. Give me a thumbs up if you feel the same way. Hit the B-roll. Yes, sir. So you can tell, man, the 6 is my favorite Kobe low. As far as the highs, y'all know I got the other highs. But as far as the lows, the 6 is my favorite Kobe silhouette. So what I meant was, you have stars now where you used to just had a Mamba skin. But they still gave us some Mamba skin, man. So I really love it, man. You know we don't do too much long talking here at Sneaker Notes. Let's unbox them. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. Y'all see that Mamba skin? Y'all see the Mamba skin? I think on my Gift of Mamba review, I kept calling it snake skin, rattlesnake skin. I mean, that's what it is. It's just that he chose the Mamba, but it's still snake skin, guys. So that's embedded all in the box. You can see it even though the box is black. I love that. Shiny Kobe logo, one of the dopest Nike logos. I like the KD, I like the LeBron crown too, but I just love that Mamba logo, guys. So that's on the front. The back, you got all the bells and whistles, Nike, just do it, swoosh, all that stuff's on the back. And that's basically it for the shoe. It reads Kobe 6 or V1 Protro, sail, black, light, bone, white. When you flip open the lid, just more black, get some white tissue paper, and let's get to it. And here's a 360 view of the Kobe 6 Sail All-Star. I mean, if this had a little bit of Laker colors in it, it would be more fire, but they went with Sail. So before we get to what I really want to get to, look at this swoosh, guys. The swoosh look like it's spray painted on. As you still can see the stars in the black of the swoosh. Super dope, man. But the toe box. So the toe box, they kept it Mamba skin for the most part. You get all those Mamba mumps there, the snake mumps all in it, and all up the inside, or the right side, but the inside of the sneaker. The outside of the sneaker, which you're going to see more of, has all the stars, guys. And they all not the same size. As you can see, this huge star here, huge star there. I like it. I kind of wish they put like, I think Kobe's like a 20-time All-Star. I feel like they could have put that somewhere. But basically, it's all stars. Going up, you got that Kobe 6 silhouette there. Very dope. That's in like a grayish tone. Very crazy. Plastic. The back here, patent leather look. As you can see, it's shiny, it glows. Now, I want y'all to pay attention up here, guys. It's of like a fuchsia, violet, like an Armand Ye color here. And you can see it boldly. It ain't even got to be in the light. It's like a pinkish, violet color. I wish they put more of this all over the sneaker so we wouldn't just have to deal with the sail. Get your standard Kobe 6 tongue. And comes in white shoelaces. Or is that white? Yeah, that's pearl white. But you do get black in the sandwich bag. And you get another white in the sandwich bag, which is puzzling at first. because it looks just like the one that it comes in. I thought maybe there'd be flat laces, but no, they just white on white, just like the ones that come. So that's a little weird to me. Let's get inside the shoe. No shoe tree, you get your regular ball paper. And the inside just has a black with a white Mamba logo. But I want y'all to focus on the inside of the sock liner. They're going to have violet purple there. They should have just did the purple. They should have just did the Kobe purple we know and love. But knowing Vanessa is some silhouette here. This could have been Gigi's favorite color or something of that nature. I know she always wears black and white. Her jersey was black and white. The first Mamba Cedar jerseys was black and white. So I get the sneaker. But the violet purple, man, is super dope. I just don't know what it stands for. The bottom is all gray. Looks San Antonio Spurish in there. Again, another Kobe logo there. Nike Zoom technology there. And then he always has this Braille writing here. It's on most of his sneakers. I don't really know what that means. It could mean Kobe 6. I know this part right here definitely look like it's spelling out Kobe. If you know in the comment section below, let me know. The inside of the shoe also sports that Jordan 11 carbon fiber look there. I really like it, man. And this is the left shoe of the Kobe 6 All-Stars, guys. Here's the right side here, guys. Nothing's changed. Everything looks the same. I just want to show you again how the stars look crazy on the swoosh on the outer, and then on the inner, the Mamba snake in the inside, man. Very dope shoe. Yes, sir. So I think I paid $190 with tax shipping in New York. I think it was $210. If you look on Goat and StockX now, it's closer to $300 right now, about $290 to $300. I don't think it's because of the style of the shoe. I think it's because it was limited. This shoe was kind of limited. I did see a lot of Gothams when they dropped on the sneakers app, but they were limited. You know, lately, Kobe's been coming out on Foot Locker, Champs, Dick's Sporting Goods even. This was more of exclusive to like overseas. I seen some overseas websites get these in the sneaker app. So, I mean, with sneakers being so crazy right now, we waiting on Union ones. Last week, them doggone Jordan Bread ones. I still might cop, guys. Right now, they sitting at 600. I'm more worried about getting a fresh pair of Flu Games in my collection. March 1st, I'm waiting on these. And these are sitting everywhere, guys. You can like literally walk into like a Jimmy Jazz or something and cop these. I don't know why. I guess they made too many. But this is a dope shoe. Before these Kobe 6 All-Stars, like I told you right now, he's sitting at like $290, $300. I do believe we get one restock. Not like an outblown full-size run. But someone has these somewhere, and I think people know that's why they're going to stay at $300 for the time being. All white shoes, they really don't rise to the 4s and 500s. So I see this sitting at $350. If you buying it for style, then you know it's dope. It's Kobe, super limited. If you're buying it for the ball court, you know how the Kobe 6 was, man. This changed like basketball sneakers. No one was doing the lows because of the Achilles and the ankles. This changed basketball sneakers. If you look now, at least 4 players on each team got the Grinches on. So you already know what the Kobe 6 going to give you, man. Let me know how y'all feel about these in the comment section below. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody, get rich.